This stew is one of the most famous Turkish stews and is served with rice, so prepare your rice in the last hour of cooking. First, mix the ground beef with 1 grated onion, squeeze out its juice, 2 tablespoons of flour, salt, black pepper, and turmeric, and knead well. Then shape the mixture into meatballs and refrigerate for an hour. Afterward, fry the meatballs on both sides in a pan until browned, then remove them. Next, sauté 1 chopped onion with salt and turmeric. Add 2 tablespoons of dried mint, be careful not to let it burn. Then add the fried meatballs along with 2 tablespoons of pomegranate paste and sauté. Add 1½ cups of boiling water and let it simmer on low heat for 1½ hours. Finally, garnish with crushed pistachios and serve alongside rice and salad. Enjoy your meal.